Here I'm going to show you how to do a quick update of your rates using the same rates for multiple properties. First, you'll need to create a template for each property's rate table with the different dates and the nightly, weekly, and monthly rates if you use them, and what the minimum stay is for each of those ranges. Usually the other columns will be marked 0 for special offers, extra per person. Number of persons is usually just 1. And then if you are having a 7-night minimum, for example, you might have a changeover day of, say, Saturday to Saturday, but in this case you do not. So we have a file here that was prepared for a 2-bedroom, and we're going to use this on multiple different properties inside of our dashboard. This table was populated to match the rates that are currently in OwnerRez. So we have a separate file for each rate table that will be unique to that property type. So here I've prepared a separate table. It's a CSV file for each type. So here's a 2-bedroom, premium 3-bedroom, regular 3-bedroom, a Bella Luna property, and Blue Water. The OwnerRez export rate is a separate file that came from OwnerRez, and I used it to help populate these files. So log into the dashboard and go over to your listings, and it will look like this. The default order will be by number with the most recent at the top, so these are in numeric order. And if you look under the last rate column, that means that's the date that you have a rate established through. If it's green, that usually means that it's at least 90 days in the future. Yellow is 30 to 60 days, and then red would be less than 30 days or out. So we can tell that this one has rates good through March of 2021, so it has not been updated yet. If you scroll down, you'll start to see several of these are in green. I did all of these earlier, so these have the new rate table added. So we're going to start with what's left, the ones that don't have a rate, and see what type it is. This is a 2-bedroom, and I know that all the 2-bedrooms use the same rate. So click on Edit that listing, and you can see again at the top it's a 2-bedroom. We're going to go to the Rates tab and choose Rate Import. And it's going to ask for the file, so choose File. And then you'll want to navigate to that location where your rates are saved. Once you've gone to this folder, it will default to the same folder each time. So I'm looking for the 2-bedroom rate table. Click Open, select it first, and then click Open, and then click Import. And these are the rates that were on that table. You'll notice that the summer rate here had a monthly rate on it when we looked at it, but it did not import a monthly rate. That's because this rate range actually is less than 30 days, so it did not bring the monthly rate over because it would never apply. If that all looks good, then you can continue to use that same rate table for all of your 2-bedrooms using the same method. We also had a change in the cleaning fee. So while I'm here, I'm going to click on Fees, Taxes, and Deposit, and scroll down. You'll see a list of all of the fees, and the one we need to change is the cleaning fee. So click on the Edit Pencil, and it will load that one, and we're going to change that to $155 and hit Save. That's the process you would use to change any of these fees. So now, if you were to go back to Manage Listings, you'll see that that first one is now green. It's got the dates up through March of 2022. So we need to do this next one. It's also a 2-bedroom. Edit. Now if you weren't sure which one it is, we did list them at the bottom, so you can scroll manually to the bottom of the screen. And we have it here under the Notes section. This tells us that this particular listing in our site is number B306. So if you ever need to know what it is, we've added that information at the very bottom. Scroll back up to the top, go to Rates, Import, choose, pick the right one. We're on a 2-bedroom, Open, Import, Taxes, Fees, and Deposits, edit the cleaning fee, and hit Save. and just continue that process until all of them have been updated. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact us. Thanks.